In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary domain in Shopify directly from the Shopify Help Center. Managing your online store's domain is crucial for brand consistency and online presence. So, ensuring you have the right primary domain is essential. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Shopify account, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, make your way to the admin page. This is your control hub. It's where you can tweak and manage all facets of your online store. From here, navigate to the Online Store section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you'll find a subsection titled Domains. Clicking on Domains will present you with a list of all existing domains associated with your store. You'll see your current primary domain at the top, labeled as such. This page not only shows all your domains but is also your control center for managing them. Look for the domain you want to set as your primary domain. Before making any changes, it's crucial to understand that your primary domain is the one customers will see in their browser's address bar whenever they visit your online store. Now, to align your branding or update your store's web address, find the new domain you want to designate as the primary one. Click on Change Primary Domain and select the domain from your list. A little side note here, to change your primary domain, the domain must already be connected to your Shopify store. If it's not connected yet, make sure to do that first. Once you've selected your new domain, save your changes. This action effectively updates your store's primary web address. Now, it's important to mention that when you switch your primary domain, Shopify automatically sets up permanent URL redirects from your old domain to the new one. This is highly beneficial because it preserves your online store's search engine rankings. All traffic will be seamlessly redirected, ensuring your customers and search engines still find you without interruption. Isn't that a neat feature? Also, don't forget to update your email signature, social media, and marketing materials with the new primary domain, so everything consistently points users to the right place. To wrap up, let's confirm that everything is working perfectly. Open a new tab in your browser and type in your newly chosen primary domain. Hit Enter, and voila! You should land directly on your online store. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully changed your primary domain. Remember, managing your domain is just one aspect of maintaining a successful online presence. It's these little things that resonate with your customers and help you grow your brand. So keep experimenting, keep improving, and until next time, happy selling.